Oh, it's cold. Oh, why is the door still open? Okay, literally less than 5 minutes ago, there was nothing out here, and now it's like a freaking blizzard. Oh my god, it's cold. You can see it's blowing off. Let me see if I can zoom in some. You can see it's blowing off the roofs. And the trees are, the wind's picking up really bad. Oh god, it's cold out here. I mean, you can barely see cars' headlights through this. Oh my god, and what, it's not even really, it's like a mix of snow and ice. It's not even, oh, it's so cold. But I'll make a video in the morning where you can see how much snow we got. It's getting too cold and I'm in a short sleeve and pajama pants, so I'm going back in.